Welcome to Carpedia, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Get ready to rev your engines and embark on an exhilarating journey through the exciting and ever-evolving world of cars. The Ford Mustang has been a symbol of American muscle. It's a car that stirs emotions, incites passion, and leaves a lasting impression. From its debut in 1964 to today's modern marvel, the Mustang has always been about freedom, performance, and individuality. The 2025 Ford Mustang honors its heritage while embracing the future. It retains the iconic silhouette that everyone knows and loves, but with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The galloping horse emblem proudly stands on the front grille, a timeless symbol of untamed power. Interior: step inside the Mustang's cabin, and you're greeted by a driver-focused environment. The comfortable seats hug you in place, ready for spirited drives. The interior design strikes a perfect balance between classic Mustang heritage and modern technology. The digital instrument cluster keeps you informed, while the large touchscreen infotainment system puts all your entertainment and connectivity needs at your fingertips. But a Mustang isn't just about looks, it's about thrilling performance. Under the hood, you have a choice of powerful engines, each one engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Take the Mustang on a winding mountain road and feel the precise handling and responsive steering. It corners with confidence and begs to be pushed to its limits. Push down on the accelerator and feel the surge of power as the Mustang rockets forward. The throaty exhaust note sends shivers down your spine, reminding you that you're in control of a true American muscle car. The Mustang is also a blank canvas for self-expression. With a vast aftermarket scene, you can personalize your Mustang to reflect your unique style. Whether you prefer a sleek and understated look or a head-turning performance machine, the Mustang can be customized to be yours. The Ford Mustang is a legend. It's a car that has captured the hearts and imaginations of generations. With its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and endless customization options, the 2025 Mustang is sure to continue this legacy for years to come. So, get behind the wheel, unleash the power, and experience the legend for yourself. Thanks for watching my video. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the world of cars with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a pit stop on our automotive adventure. Keep those engines roaring, and we'll see you on the next episode of Carpedia. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep cruising.